Hello everyone! Today I'll be showing you how to make cod fish. For this recipe, to marinate the fish, we'll be using 2.5 pounds of cod fish, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 3 tablespoons of lime juice, and you will also need 5 tablespoons of oil. In a bowl, add oil, lime juice, cumin powder, paprika powder, black pepper powder, and salt. Mix everything well, then add it to the fish and mix well. When finished mixing, cover and refrigerate for half an hour or until you're ready to make. When the fish is ready, lightly fry the fish on medium to high heat for 1 to 2 minutes on both sides. You can also grill or bake the fish. If you would like to use the cod fish in a fish taco, check out the icon above or the description box below for a fish taco recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye bye now.